when you get the product, this is the gateway, and the first time you plug in the USB power inside, and probably you need to wait for the 20 seconds to see the LED is to show up green and red blinking. Then it means currently is in Wi-Fi AP mode. So you could use the mobile phone, then Wi-Fi to screen. They have one camera is OCAN here, OCAN, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then you could connect. After connect, please enable the OCAN. He will ask you, do you want to connect with the Wi-Fi router? Please the choice yes. Then he will scan all the SSID in the air. So now I saw this one. Then press the password. And the choice done. After that, the gateway Wi-Fi setup is okay. It's a finish.